Like, think of Texas. There we go.
Get him out of those weeds. You got braids, so you can get him out of there. You can just pull it. Oh, that's gone.
It's not long enough.
Nope. Good one. So you know you can catch them on it.
Yeah.
So that felt good too.
Yeah, it did. Small one, but it shows that it works. Never worked with a couch.